In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an MX record in Cloudflare. Whether you're setting up email hosting or troubleshooting issues with email delivery, adding an MX record is a crucial step to ensure that your email traffic is routed correctly. Cloudflare makes this process straightforward, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can complete the setup with confidence. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is gather some critical information from your email provider. Specifically, you'll need the host name of your mail server and the priority level assigned to it. These details are provided by your email hosting service, so make sure you have them handy before proceeding. Both are essential for configuring the MX record correctly. Now, log into your Cloudflare dashboard using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of domains associated with your account. Select the domain for which you want to add the MX record. This step ensures that you're working on the correct configuration for the email setup. After you've selected your domain, locate and click on the DNS tab within the dashboard. This will take you to the DNS settings for your domain, where you can manage existing records and add new ones. The DNS tab is where all the magic happens when it comes to routing traffic, including email. Next, click the Add Record button. This allows you to create a new DNS record. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll need to select MX as the type of record you're creating. An MX record or mail exchange record is a specific type of DNS record that directs email to your mail server. In the name field, you'll need to enter either R, a subdomain, depending on your setup. Using 8b applies the MX record to the root domain. If you're setting this up for a subdomain, make sure to specify it here instead. This step tells Cloudflare where to apply the MX record. Now, in the mail server field, input the fully qualified hostname of your mail server. This is the address provided by your email host, and it ensures that incoming emails know exactly where to go. Be sure to enter this information carefully, as even a small error can disrupt email delivery. Next, you'll need to enter the priority level. The priority level determines the order in which mail servers are used if multiple MX records exist. A lower number indicates a higher priority, so follow the guidelines provided by your email host. Once that's done, set the TTL or time to live to auto. TTL determines how long the record is cached by servers, and setting it to auto allows Cloudflare to manage this dynamically for optimal performance. Before saving your changes, double-check the proxy status. It's important to ensure that the proxy status for the MX record is set to DNS only. You'll know it's correct if the icon shows a gray cloud. This setting ensures that email traffic is not proxied through Cloudflare, which is critical for proper email functionality. Finally, click Save to finalize the creation of your MX record. Cloudflare will now update your DNS settings, and the MX record will be active shortly. This completes the setup, and your email traffic should now route correctly based on the configuration you've just created. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.